The internet loves a good trend. Remember fidget spinners or ASMR? Today there's a new craze captivating viewers' hydraulic press videos. Millions of people are tuning in to watch everyday objects meet their demise under the immense pressure of a hydraulic press. From innocent gummy bears to indestructible Nokia phones, nothing is safe from the mighty crush. These videos offer a mesmerizing spectacle of destruction. They tap into our primal fascination with power and force. The sheer unpredictability adds to the allure. Will the object flatten like a pancake, or explode in a shower of sparks? The anticipation is palpable. It's no wonder these videos have become a global phenomenon. The man we can thank for this oddly satisfying trend is Lauri Vuohensilta, a Finnish factory owner with a passion for hydraulics. Lauri started his YouTube channel in 2015. He had no idea it would become a viral sensation.
My videos are simple yet captivating. I showcase the raw power of the hydraulic press, crushing everything from bowling balls to watermelons. My deadpan humor and Finnish accent only add to the charm.
Lauri's channel, Hydraulic Press Channel, quickly gained millions of subscribers. He became an unlikely internet celebrity. His success inspired countless others to jump on the hydraulic press bandwagon. What is it about these videos that keeps us glued to our screens? Part of it is the sheer visual spectacle. Watching a three-dimensional object flatten into a two-dimensional pancake is strangely mesmerizing. The slow, steady pressure building before the inevitable crush creates a sense of anticipation that's hard to resist. Then there's the sound. The metallic groan of the press, the satisfying crunch of the object being crushed. These auditory cues add another layer of enjoyment. It's a symphony of destruction that's both terrifying and oddly satisfying. The element of surprise is also a big draw. We never know exactly how an object will react under pressure. Will it shatter, crumble, or simply melt away? The unpredictability keeps us guessing until the very end. Beyond the visual and auditory appeal, there's a psychological reason why we find these videos so satisfying. Experts believe they tap into our primal instincts. Watching something get crushed can be a cathartic release of pent-up aggression and stress.
There's a sense of control and mastery that comes from watching something be completely destroyed. In a world where we often feel powerless, these videos offer a temporary sense of agency.
The repetitive nature of the crushing action can also be calming. It's similar to the soothing effect of ASMR videos. The rhythmic sounds and predictable visuals can lull us into a relaxed state. No wonder many viewers use hydraulic press videos as a form of stress relief after a long day. If you browse the comments section of any hydraulic press video, you'll see a recurring theme, oddly satisfying.
This phrase perfectly captures the sentiment of many viewers.
One commenter writes, "I don't know why, but I could watch this all day. It's just so satisfying to see things get crushed."
Another adds, "It's like popping bubble wrap, but on a much grander scale. It's strangely therapeutic."
The combination of visual, auditory, and psychological factors creates a uniquely satisfying viewing experience that keeps people coming back for more. Section 6. Beyond the crush. Exploring the unexpected beauty. While the focus of hydraulic press videos is undoubtedly destruction, there's an element of unexpected beauty to be found as well. The way objects compress, splatter, and transform under pressure can be strangely artistic. Take, for instance, the mesmerizing patterns created when a ball of Play-Doh is crushed, or the vibrant burst of color that erupts when a can of spray paint meets its demise. These fleeting moments of visual poetry add another layer of intrigue to the viewing experience. Some artists are even using hydraulic presses as a creative tool. They're exploring the unique textures and forms that can be achieved through this unconventional method. The destructive force of the press becomes a catalyst for artistic expression. Section 7. A global phenomenon. Hydraulic press videos around the world. The appeal of hydraulic press videos transcends cultural boundaries. These videos have a universal charm that captivates audiences from all corners of the globe. Whether it's the sheer power of the press, or the unexpected results, people everywhere find something mesmerizing about these clips. What began as a niche trend in Finland has become a global phenomenon. The first hydraulic press videos were simple experiments, but they quickly gained traction. As more people discovered the oddly satisfying nature of these videos, the trend spread like wildfire across the internet. People from all walks of life speaking different languages, are united by their shared enjoyment of these oddly satisfying videos. It's fascinating to see how something so simple can bring so much joy to so many different people. The universal language of satisfaction and curiosity bridges cultural and linguistic divides. YouTube channels dedicated to hydraulic press crushing have sprung up all over the world. Content creators from various countries have embraced this trend, each adding their unique twist. Some focus on educational content, explaining the science behind the crushing, while others aim purely to entertain with dramatic and unexpected results. From the United States to Japan, people are finding joy in watching everyday objects meet their demise under the immense pressure of a hydraulic press. The diversity of objects being crushed, from fruits to electronics, adds to the intrigue and keeps viewers coming back for more. The global popularity of these videos speaks to our shared human fascination with power, destruction, and the unexpected. There's something inherently satisfying about watching the transformation of objects under extreme pressure, and this shared interest connects people across the world. It's a reminder that even in a world increasingly divided, there are still simple pleasures that can bring us together. The joy of watching a hydraulic press in action is a small but powerful example of how shared experiences can unite us, transcending borders and differences. Section 8. The future of crushing. What's next for the hydraulic press trend? Like all internet trends, the popularity of hydraulic press videos will inevitably wax and wane. These videos have captivated audiences with their unique blend of destruction and artistry. The sheer force of the hydraulic press, combined with the unpredictability of the results, creates a mesmerizing spectacle that is hard to look away from. However, the core appeal of these videos, the satisfaction, the stress relief, the unexpected beauty, is likely to endure. The sight of everyday objects being transformed under immense pressure taps into a primal fascination with destruction and creation. It's a form of visual ASMR that provides a unique kind of relaxation and enjoyment. We can expect to see new variations on the theme emerge. Creators are constantly innovating, finding new ways to surprise and delight their audiences. From crushing rare and unusual items to creating themed series, the possibilities are endless. Creators will continue to push the boundaries, crushing ever more unusual and intriguing objects. The thrill of seeing something unexpected being crushed keeps viewers coming back for more. It's a never-ending quest to find the next big thing that will capture the audience's imagination. Virtual reality and augmented reality could offer even more immersive ways to experience the thrill of the crush. Imagine being able to virtually step into the workshop and control the hydraulic press yourself, or see the crushing process from multiple angles in real time. These technologies could take the experience to a whole new level. One thing is certain: as long as there are objects to crush and people curious to see what will happen, the hydraulic press trend will continue to find an audience online. The combination of curiosity, satisfaction, and the sheer spectacle of destruction ensures that these videos will remain popular. It's a testament to the enduring power of simple pleasures in a complex world. In a time where life can often feel overwhelming, these videos offer a moment of pure, uncomplicated joy. They remind us that sometimes the simplest things can bring the greatest satisfaction. Section 9. Tuning in to tune out, finding solace in the everyday. In a world saturated with information and constant stimulation, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The hustle and bustle of daily life, the never-ending stream of notifications, and the constant pressure to stay updated can take a toll on our mental well-being. We're bombarded with news headlines, social media updates, and endless to-do lists. Each ping and buzz from our devices demands our attention, pulling us in multiple directions at once. It's no wonder that many of us seek refuge in simple, mindless entertainment. These moments of escape provide a much-needed break from the chaos, allowing us to recharge and find a sense of calm. Hydraulic press videos, with their repetitive actions and predictable outcomes, offer a form of escapism. The sheer simplicity of watching objects being crushed can be oddly satisfying and therapeutic. They allow us to shut off our brains for a few minutes and just be present in the moment. The rhythmic motion and the inevitable destruction of the objects can be mesmerizing. There's a strange comfort in knowing that no matter what chaos is happening in the world, the hydraulic press will always deliver a satisfying crush. It's a small, predictable pleasure in an otherwise unpredictable world. So the next time you find yourself scrolling through your phone, feeling stressed or overwhelmed, take a break and watch a hydraulic press video. Allow yourself to be captivated by the simple act of crushing. You might be surprised at how therapeutic it can be to watch a watermelon get flattened into oblivion. The sheer absurdity and the visual spectacle can bring a smile to your face and lighten your mood. It's a reminder that sometimes the best way to deal with the complexities of life is to embrace the simple pleasures. These small moments of joy can help us navigate through the noise and find a sense of peace in our everyday lives. So whether it's a hydraulic press video or another simple pleasure, find your own way to tune out the chaos and tune into the present moment. Embrace these small escapes and let them bring you solace in the everyday.